Welcome guys, it's Miss Rosie, and today in the middle of August we're going to make it rain. I have a container here that I'm going to fill with some water. Okay, and if you want to try this at home, it's perfectly safe, but make sure that you have permission from your parents and that they supervise you. Okay, so that's water, and in this glass here I have vegetable oil, and I'm going to just pour some food color in there. I think I have about 10 drops, and then I'm going to mix it up. Now I'm going to pour the vegetable oil and food coloring into my water. And then we're going to watch it rain. And what's happening is that the oil will separate from the water. The oil goes all the way to the top and stays there. Do you see that? It's kind of cool. So now we're making it rain in August. So we only used a container to hold our water, a cup to put in our vegetable oil, and whatever colored drops of food coloring you want. You could mix it and have a rainbow. I just chose to do blue today. And then we pour, after we mix the oil with your food coloring, pour it into the container of water, and we sit back and watch it rain. Well, I hope you had fun. I sure did. Alright guys, I hope you try this at home. Let me know if you do. If not, at least you had fun, right? Have a good day. I'll see you later.